Friends, you know that if you don't have status in the USA and you have children born here, the mere fact of giving birth to American citizens does not allow you to obtain status here. However, 2 weeks ago, on July 16th, a Democrat from the state of Washington introduced Orlin's Law to the House of Representatives. Orlin's Law is a bill named in memory of a boy. A completely tragic story happened to this child. He was 3 years old. His mother was in the USA illegally. She was detained on her way to work and deported. The mother begged for the child to be deported with her, but for some reason, someone ordered that the child be given to an uncle who was known for his cruelty. And this uncle killed the 3-year-old child, tortured him to death. And now, in his memory, this bill, this piece of legislation, has appeared. Friends, please be careful. I see that a lot of scammers are already using this information and telling you that now those who have children born in the USA will be able to stay here because the child needs a guardian. That is not true. This bill proposes, first, the creation of a special committee that will track such parents and prevent this separation during deportation. Second, it proposes that parents who do not pose a threat to public safety or national security, who are in the U.S. without status but have children who are U.S. citizens, should not be sent to detention at all. Third, it proposes that if a parent is indeed ordered to be deported, they should have the right to designate a primary guardian. They should be the one to decide whether to leave the child in the U.S. or take them along to their home country. Well, this is all wonderful. The initiative is wonderful, but it's quite likely that this is just a populist bill before November, because we have elections in November, and this is how our politicians score points. Please do not believe those who say that such a bill has already been passed and that you are safe. Currently, those who have children who are U.S. citizens but who themselves have no status cannot obtain any status. Unless your child is 21 years old, you can reunite with them. In other words, all those old methods that have always existed. Be careful, take care of yourselves. If there is any good news, and if the bill is approved, although the chances of that are quite low, let's be honest, we will be the first to tell you about it. Good luck to everyone. Bye.